The URRED Loveseat Recliner Sofa offers an exceptional power reclining feature, allowing users to effortlessly adjust the footrest and backrest to their preferred angle for reading, gaming, or napping. This love seat comes equipped with built-in vibration massage and lumbar heating functions, providing soothing warmth and tension relief after a long day. Designed for a home theater experience, the sofa's LED ambient lighting and integrated USB ports and cup holders create a convenient and immersive environment for movie nights. The flipped middle backrest console transforms into a versatile media center, complete with Bluetooth speakers, outlets, and a small tabletop, enhancing your entertainment setup. Perfect for RVs and compact living spaces, this wall hugger recliner requires only 6 inches from the wall to fully recline, ensuring maximum comfort without compromising space. Assembly is a breeze with no tools required, allowing for quick setup and offering excellent customer support for any issues that may arise.